Sudden cardiac arrest in young athletes. Why is it increasing? Why are perfectly fit young athletes suddenly collapsing on the playing field? Exercise is supposed to protect the heart. So why is sudden cardiac arrest rising in the young? The hidden cardiac conditions that can turn a healthy workout into a medical emergency. Fitness does not equal immunity. The real reason behind cardiac arrests in the gym. Hello, I'm Dr. Mukul Kaushik. I'm a senior consultant intervention cardiologist. One of the most heartbreaking events we see is a young fit person collapsing from a cardiac arrest. We are seeing an alarming rise in these incidents on sports fields and in gyms. As Indians, our genetic makeup already puts us at a higher baseline risk for heart issues. But why does this happen to people who appear to be in peak physical condition? The truth is that outward fitness does not always reflect internal cardiac health. In young athletes, cardiac arrest is rarely caused by the cholesterol blockages seen in older adults. Instead, it is usually triggered by hidden structural or electrical abnormalities. One primary culprit is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, an abnormal thickening of the heart muscle. Under the extreme stress of intense exercise, this thick muscle can trigger fatal arrhythmias. Another cause involves congenital electrical defects like long QT syndrome. These conditions sit silently in the background during normal everyday activities, but intense physical exertion causes massive surges of adrenaline and stress hormone. This sudden adrenaline spike can act as the trigger for a lethal electrical storm. Furthermore, more modern trends involving pushing the body to absolute extremes. Unregulated use of performance-enhancing supplements can severely strain the heart. Excessive caffeine, energy drinks, and hidden stimulants create a dangerous baseline of cardiac arrest. Pushing through viral infections is another dangerous practice we see in young athletes. Exercising with a viral illness can lead to myocarditis, a severe inflammation of the heart muscle. Inflamed heart tissue is incredibly vulnerable to electrical short circuits during exertion. This does not mean that exercise is bad. Cardiovascular activity is essential for a long life. However, we must change our approach to how we screen young active individuals. A standard physical exam often misses these hidden electrical and structural anomalies. A simple ECG and an echocardiogram can reveal a wealth of brilliant information. If you experience unexpected fainting, extreme breathlessness, or palpitations during exercise, stop immediately. Do not try to be a hero and push through the pain or dizziness. Listen to your body when it sends you these early critical warning signs. Before undertaking extreme fitness regimens, get a proper cardiac evaluation. Prevention and early detection are the only ways to reverse this tragic trend. Your heart is an engine. Ensure it is properly tuned before pushing it to the red line.